5th. Hello everybody, it's Blue Hands here. Let's draw Peter Griffin from Family Guy. He's a good one. Funny old guy he is. There you go, there's the top of his hair. Just comes around like that. Goes all the way around actually. Just like that. Looking good. At the top of his hair here, his face starts to come down and immediately comes into his eyeglasses. That's 1. Over here is 2. That's nice. Join those glasses up. Let's give him a bit of an eyelid here and here. Beady little eyes, just like that. Like that. And he's got a bit of a nose, he does, just like this. Give him a big old smile, we will. Just like that. Alright, bit of a lip here. And he's got quite the chin, he does. 1, 2, just like that. Looking nice. And then his face comes out a bit like that. There we go. Let's finish off his hair down here like that with a bit of a sideburn. And some ear right there. Put his glasses across. Very good everybody, that's looking nice. Now we can bring his shirt down right here like this. Like that. Let's join them up. Give him a bit of a collar here. Bring that up. Bring that up like that. Looking nice. He's a pudgy boy. Give him a bit of a tummy. Just like that. Over here we'll do the same. Bring his shirt up like this. Give him some buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Looking nice, everyone. Now maybe some sleeves. And he tends to roll up his sleeves, he does. So give him a bit of a swirly-do right about there. And then we'll bring his hand down just like this. There we go. There's his pinky finger. We can bring his belt and pants around here like this. And now his leg down like that. And this will be his shoe right about here. Just like this. Looking good, everyone. Alright, let's go over here. And we'll draw his other arm right about there. Give the sleeve here like that. Join it up. Looking nice. Like I said, he likes to roll his sleeves up, so let's give him one of these. Right about there. And then we can bring this arm down just like this. There's his pinky finger. 2, 3 fingers. And a thumb. Just like that. There's his palm. Alright everybody, looking very nice. Now we can bring his bum around here like that. And his pant leg down, just like that. There we go. Bring his pants up. Just like this. Continue this boot down like that. Or shoe. Join it up. Looking very nice. Now we can finish it off with that. And let's not forget his belt. Right around here like this. Very nice. Got a bit of a buckle in here, he does. And we can even give him some loops. Sweet. I like it. It's Peter Griffin from the Family Guy. Let's get to the color. Peter has pink skin. Green pants. Brown hair and shoes. Yellow buckle. And a black belt. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.